Hey everyone, it's Brad here at Doogie's Dugout, and today I'm going to be debuting the rookie card explosion box by Philmington. This is the first time I'm ripping this for the channel. Ever since Long Ball Cards stopped his subscription box last month, I decided to look somewhere else for a subscription box, so the rookie card explosion box is here. So I decided to give it a try. As Philmington had on his YouTube video on the 13th said he had a few available for single purchase. So I decided to grab it up and try it out. So let's dive into this is the original. This is not the high end. The original was, I think it was 88 or 87.99 out the door. So let's get into volume. It's volume 54. Here's everything we can get, or that's in the box actually. So I'll let you stop and stare, take a gander. We'll go over the packs here as I pull them out, and as I'm still kind of new as far as older products, so like 2018 or later is probably going to need to know what rookies are in there. So here's the pack lineup here. I think there's 11 packs this month. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, so there's 11 packs this month. I gotta get these peanuts picked up, or else Kirby will. He's already in the box. All right, so let me put the box there, back here. So we have 2011 Topps Series 1, 2016 Topps Chrome, 2017 Series 1. We have a 2018 right here, Shohei. So we can get the Shohei Topps update 2018. Here's a 2019 high number. And then 2020 Series 1 hobby pack. We have Bowman hobby pack. We have a 2022 Topps Chrome hobby pack, a Bowman 2023 retail. We have a Heritage hobby and a 2023 hobby Series 2. So not sure how I'm going to rip this, but let's go with, why not? Let's go with 2016 Chrome. According to this chart, it's saying Corey Seager, Trey Turner, Kyle Schwarber, Luis Severino, and Carlos Correa. So those are the rookies I guess we're looking for in here. Appreciate you guys tuning in, checking out the very first rip. Hey, there's a Francisco Lindor. That's for Mr. Nice Guy baseball cards. So, and I've never ripped this this year, or this product, or this pack before, so this is new to me too. Steven Strasburg. We have an Andrew Miller, and then Gary Sanchez rookie card. So this is like a Prism refractor chrome. So but we did get a Gary Sanchez rookie card. All right, let's go with 2017 Series 1, and this says Aaron Judge and Alex Bregman. So Aaron Judge, definitely one that would be nice to hit. Let's take a look. I've not ripped this either, so this is new to me. Joe Musgrove, rookie card. Jackie Bradley Jr. We have Scooter Gannett, or never heard of him before. David Ortiz, league leaders. Man, the Topps flip. Holy cow. Jose Fernandez, comeback player of the year. Felix Hernandez. Is that a gold? Because that's gold right here. I guess it's not. All right. We have a Nomar Mazara. Yankees team card. Colby Rasmus and Bryce Harper. So nothing too fancy in that pack there that I can see. Let's go with 2011. How about that? You're looking for like Freddie Freeman, it says in this one. So not looking for Mike Trout, but that's in the update series. But this is just series 1. There's CC Sabathia. And we have a Chris Carpenter. Peter Boris. Chase Headley. Diamond giveaway. Congratulations. Unlock your Topps card for a chance to win prizes. Okay. Here we have history of Topps. All right, that's different. There's Polanco, Eric Young, Clay Hensley, and Ryan Howard. Okay. Not sure what that Topps card is there. But there's 2011. Let's get into 2022 Chrome, Topps Chrome. Hobby. So we have a Prism Refractor back there. We have Chris Bryant. And they're kind of sticking here. Chaz McCormick. Bo Bichette in the Prism. And Evan Longoria. Okay, let's see. What are we going to go with next? We go 2019 high number of Heritage. This is saying to look for Fernando Tatis, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Austin Riley, Kyle Tucker, and Pete Alonso. So J.A. Happ, Josh Fuentes, Brian Dozier, Francisco Liriano, Justice Sheffield, Scott Oberg, Carson Kelly, David Freese, and Omar Navarez. So struck out in that pack there. I'm kind of striking out in all the packs really so far. So let's go with 2020 Topps Series 1. And then this bad boy, it says Bo Bichette, Yordan Alvarez, Randy Rosarena. This is a hobby pack. So let's see what we can find here. There's Cole Calhoun, Jesus Luzardo, Carlos Correa, Max Scherzer. Oh, Ryan, wrong Toronto. Blue Jay. There's Marquez, Lamb, Starling Marte, Brandon Crawford. We have an Eddie Murray, Decade's Best Batters. Anthony Santander, and then Mike Freed. Fires. Okay, so nothing in that pack really to write home about. I want to save this one last because I'm really hoping for a Shohei. Let's go with Heritage from 2023. So we got AL strikeout leaders: Sean Murphy, Bo Naylor, Bo Bichette, Rowdy Tellez, Brandon Drury, Alejandro Kirk, and Cal Mitchell. So I don't think anything... Nope, nothing too fancy in this one either. All right, guys, we are definitely striking out with the bases loaded right now. 4 packs to go. I will go with 2022 Bowman. This is a retail pack. I've ripped a ton. Or no, this is a hobby pack, it says. I ripped a ton of Bowman 2022. Winker, Baez, Madrigal, Chapman. We have a High Five Futures, Marco Luciano, Bobby Witt Jr. paper. We have Jorge Vera, and then Kevin Alcantara. All right, guys, 3 to go. I'm going to open up Bowman Retail 2023. And we have our Lunar Glow back there. Miguel Vargas, Jeremy Pena, Lyndon Sosa, Adley Rutschman rookie, Corbin Carroll, Christopher Morel, 3 nice rookies in a row. Colton Cowser, sights on September. There's Diane George. There's Joshua DePaula. He's pretty good. And Caminero, man, not a bad pack. And then Manuel Beltre is our Lunar Glow Refractor. Down to 2 packs. Man, for the first time, it's been a rough one, but hey, we got to try it out. You know, can't win unless we try, right? Here's Series 2, 2023. Ooh, we do have something backwards here. Ooh, 2 of them are backwards. So hopefully there's something there. There's a Josh Young rookie. So let's see what these 2, why they're backwards. So it looks like we do have an orange foil. Not sure why Ford Proctor was backwards. But our orange, Kansas City, Hunter Dozier. And that should be out of $2.99. Number 3 out of $2.99. This is a really light orange. Really light. So, all right, let's sleeve this. First one we can actually sleeve up. And we'll put a protector on them too. Why not? All right, last pack of the Rookie Card Explosion Volume 54. Do we have a Shohei to walk things off? Is Shohei going to walk it off? Of course, the pack. There we go. Come on, Shohei, where are you at? A game for everyone. Altuve and Judge. Man, look at the size difference there. Hey, there we go. Shohei Ohtani rookie card. That's what we're looking for, and we got it.
Nice.
Yep. All right, let me put that down there. So we did pull the Shohei rookie card. That looks sharp, too. Definitely going to have to send that dude in for sure for the upgrade shop. Let's see if we can pull a parallel of them now. There's Mr. 3000, you know, Albert Pujols. So with Trout there. And Justin Verlander. We have an Anthony Rizzo. There is Thunder and Lightning, Votto and Hamilton. There's Wander, Max Stassi, and Justin Anderson, rookie combos. So we did pull the Shohei, so that was good to see. So my first box, not the best, but hey, this definitely made it worth it. So appreciate this a lot right here, because I have not ripped 2018 at all, really. So it's good to see that. So my first box, I consider a success with the Shohei rookie. So drop a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. Appreciate you guys tuning in and checking out the video. So if you guys want to support the channel, hit that like button. It really does help the channel out. Take care and stay safe. We'll see you at the next one. See ya.